What's going on, guys? Today we're back at the custom shop right over there. It's been a while since we've been here, and we're going to be doing some custom work to the car. We're actually going to be
Today, Junior?
installing I can't talk. We're going to be installing an exhaust cutout. So you guys know that now I have the Invidia Q300 on the car. Super subtle exhaust, almost OEM plus. And for what it is, it's a really high quality exhaust, 3-inch design. Like I said, OEM plus, very good construction. It's stainless steel, and I've been liking it. To be honest, I've really been liking it. It's not a Tomei. It's not like the Tomei. It's not like a straight pipe or anything like that. But I really wanted something that would give me the best of both worlds. I know that there are some valved exhausts out there by different companies, but I figured I'd come here and support the boys over in Queens. And we're gonna be doing an exhaust cutout. So if you guys aren't familiar with what an exhaust cutout is, it's basically a piece of the pipe that's cut out. There's a motor installed in place of the piping, and it almost acts as like a dump.
We heard you like this visit, the Staten Island dump this time of year.
So from the downpipe on, pretty much into the middle of the exhaust, that's where we're gonna be cutting, and it's gonna be a full dump, and then I could close the valve, and then it runs normally right into the Invidia Q300. You have the best of both worlds. You just flip a switch. I believe it's going to be a toggle switch. So normally some of them, you just flip the switch and it's either fully open or fully closed. We're going to have a toggle function where we can slightly open if we want to, or slightly close it. I'm probably not going to be messing with that. I'll probably just have it either fully open or fully closed. But yeah, we have a couple of blank switches that we can use to install it on. So let me show you guys where we can mount that. So we pretty much have two options. Right over here I think will be ideal, and then we also have one, where is it, right over there underneath the cable, right there next to the X mode. So two options there. I think this will be pretty cool. Just like flick it right over here. It'd be pretty nice and convenient. And as usual, I got to show you guys what cars they have lined up here today. Nice Audi Allroad with the rotiforms. This I believe is one of the shop vehicles, or Brett might own this. I'm not sure, but I always see it here. Really freaking nice. Eventually, I think I want to convert the Force into something like this. Got the Bronco. Sheesh! The Method racing wheels. Man, I heard these, the Bronco Raptors are super nice, very capable. Ah, damn. With the reservoir. So here's the brand that we went with. Here's the cutout, so you guys can get a little idea of what it'll look like. So this is one of the pieces. I guess it's like the block-off plate or something. And yeah, I'm not exactly sure. But let's go ahead and unwrap some of these things. So here we have, oh, this is actually the block-off plate. So this is the actual block-off plate. This is what's gonna be opening and closing. There's the motor for it, the wiring, and the actual switch, I believe, is somewhere in here. Yep, here's the switch. So it's a little bit of a toggle switch, so it stays like this, and then you just flick it, you go this way, and you hold it in a certain direction for it to open, and then you let go of it, it pops back into place. So you hold it until it's fully open or closed.
Zoom him in. I'm from this way. What's your head? Yeah, you can see him.
Yeah, that's a good shot. There we go. That's clean.
Not bad, right?
Yeah. Yeah, as long as your eyes are in one piece.
They're functioning, don't worry. Yeah. We'll be alright. We'll live.
That sounds cute. All right, now let's open it, bro. All right. That's way cooler.
Sounds a lot better.
All right, I'm gonna get a lunch, bro. Show the wonderful viewers on YouTube. That's pretty dope.
Alright guys, that pretty much does it for today's video. Sorry I haven't been uploading as of recently. I've got a side business that I've been working on. It's automotive related. I'll be revealing that to you guys hopefully within the next few months, probably in March or April. So it's something that I'm really excited about rolling out, and I hope you guys stay tuned till then. Take care now. Peace.